What's going on, guys? HowToAdvance back with another video. And today I'm going to show you how to make boba tea. Total time 1 hour. Prep time 30 minutes. Cook time 20 minutes. If you stay until the end of the video, you will be able to learn these techniques and be on your way to applying them. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe, and check out the description box below. Now let's get into the video. Ingredients for 2 servings of boba pearls. 1/3 cup water, plus more is needed. 1/4 cup dark muscovado sugar or brown sugar. 3/4 cup tapioca flour, plus more for dusting. Brown sugar syrup. 1 cup dark muscovado sugar or brown sugar. 1 cup water. Black tea. 2 cups water. 6 black tea bags. Milk mixture. 3 tablespoons half and half. 3 tablespoons sweetened condensed milk. Assembly. 3 cups ice, divided. Special equipment. Wide opening straw. Preparation. Number 1. To make the boba pearls, in a medium saucepan over medium-high heat, combine the water and muscovado sugar. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes, or until the sugar dissolves and the mixture comes to a boil. Cook, stirring constantly, until smooth after adding a small amount of tapioca flour. Stir in half of the remaining tapioca flour until a sticky dough forms. Remove from the heat and stir in the remaining tapioca flour. Stir the dough until it forms a ball. Not all of the flour will be incorporated at this stage. Allow to cool slightly. Number 2. Place the dough on a clean surface. Knead the dough until it is smooth and all of the flour has been incorporated. Adding more flour or water is needed if it is too sticky or too dry. Number 3. Divide the dough into 2 equal parts. Roll the dough into long, thin ropes about 14-inch, 6.35 millimeters thick, cutting in half crosswise if it becomes too long. The ropes should be cut into 14-inch, 6.35 millimeters pieces. Roll each piece into a ball and place in a bowl with a bit of tapioca flour. To keep the balls from sticking together, dust them with flour. Number 4. A large pot of water should be brought to a boil. Remove any excess flour from the tapioca pearls before adding to the boiling water. Reduce the heat to medium-low after stirring to separate the pearls. Simmer, stirring occasionally, for about 20 minutes or until thoroughly cooked. Number 5. In the meantime, make the brown sugar syrup. In a small saucepan over medium heat, combine the muscovado sugar and water. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the sugar dissolves and the syrup slightly reduces. Fill a large heat-proof bowl halfway with the syrup. Number 6. Drain and rinse the pearls with cold water once they have finished cooking. Add the pearls to the bowl with the brown sugar syrup and let sit for 30 to 60 minutes. Number 7. To make the black tea, combine the water and tea bags in a medium pot over high heat. Bring to a boil, then remove from heat and set aside to cool to room temperature. Number 8. To make the milk mixture, whisk together the half and half and sweetened condensed milk in a small bowl or liquid measuring cup until combined. Number 9. To make the boba milk tea, fill each glass with about 1/3 cup, 80 milliliters, boba pearls and brown sugar syrup. 0.5 cup, 225 grams, ice, 0.5 cup, 240 milliliters, black tea, and 3 tablespoons milk mixture on top. Stir with a straw with a wide opening, then serve. Number 10. Enjoy. Thank you for watching the entire video. Good luck and stay tuned.